Hi everyone. This video is going to be a little bit different than my usual video. This is in response to a YouTube channel, Amy Routt, the ultimate backpacking coffee. She wants it to be instant, simple, just boil water and stir. And reading through her comments, I realized somebody had mentioned this Vietnamese packet of coffee. They said it didn't have a name, but actually it does here. It's actually Vinacafe. It's Vinacafe. I'll type it in right here for you. And now this is a coffee mix. You have no option. You either like it or you don't like it. It's sugar, cream, and coffee. You can't. You just accept what's in it or don't take it at all. But my family seems to like this. I don't care for it. It's a little bit too sweet for me. And it comes in a big package like this. Now the next one that suits me a little bit better is this one here. This is a stick coffee, and there's many manufacturers out there. I've seen Starbucks, Folgers make these things, but it's only coffee. This particular one is a Korean-made company called Maxim, but it has coffee, cream, and sugar. And you do have some options. If you don't want the cream or the sugar, you can pinch right here on the bottom 2 inches and pull out just the coffee. And of course, if you want coffee and cream, you just move down 1 inch and hold the sugar back, and it lets out the coffee and the cream. Now, grant you it's not 100%, but I'm gonna do a demonstration and show you just how. It comes in a box like this, 100 of them. This actually says Maxim Coffee. The reason I know that, because on this side, that's what it says. All right, let me reposition and do the demo. All right, I'll pinch 2 inches. See the coffee? I'm gonna release 1 inch. That's the cream, and then the sugar. Now this has been in my pocket all the way from home, but as you notice, it's not 100%, but you can see coffee, cream, and sugar. Now if you don't mix it up, it works a lot better, but it's been in my pocket. So if you don't have access to an Asian supermarket like we do around here in Atlanta, there's super centers bigger than Walmart super center where they sell this sort of product, but they are sold on Amazon. And what I'm gonna do is I'll put a link down in the description box, even though it's a few dollars more. I think my wife said this is normally $17.95 for 100 of them. They come in a smaller box, 10 or so. You can buy those if you just want to sample them. You can catch them on sale for $12.95 for 100 of them. So $12.95, that's $13 a cup of coffee. I mean, 13 cents a cup of coffee. Isn't that great? Now, one of my subscribers had an issue with going to the bathroom to pee in the middle of the night. Once he drank a cup of coffee. He liked a cup of coffee for his supper. Well, I guess dinner for the rest of the country. But anyway, he started doing these coffee chews. And they also listed, and I'll put a picture of what they look like up here for you. But they sold on Amazon also. But the coffee chews, you can put them in water, boil water and drop them, or you can just chew them if you want your caffeine fix. But actually I've gotten away from coffee pretty much, except for the one I like in the morning. I do like a cup in the morning. But in the cool weather, in the wintertime, in fact, it's April 2nd, I think, here now. It's still a little cool, and I went to this here. Hot chocolate. This is mint. This is my favorite. I like the smell of the mint. But I went to hot chocolate. And now back to the coffee. I've seen guys with coffee tea bags, the chews, and I've even seen coffee dip and coffee gummies, but there's 1,000 things out there like that. This is the shortest video I ever made. Thanks for watching.